This trading bot makes trading on Polymarket and Kalshi so easy. A lot of people are using prediction markets like Polymarket and Kalshi these days, but not a lot of people are using these tools that can help them get a big edge over the market, and that is exactly what you can do with a trading terminal like TradeFox. This is one of the most popular trading bots for good reason. It's also my favorite trading bot. It's basically an aggregator, so it brings every single market on Polymarket as well as Kalshi onto their platform. You can see everything going on. You can filter it in so much more detail than you can on the actual prediction markets themselves. And you can get so much extra insights, do copy trading and everything in between. So let me show you exactly how you can utilize this platform to the fullest. So this is what it looks like when you first sign up. Now, if you do want to check it out, make sure to use the link down below because you get up to 25% cash back and less fees when using that link. But right here, you have every single market there is filtered by volume. You can also filter it by liquidity, 24-hour change, market age. You have all sorts of filters like probability. You can filter it by volume, by liquidity, end date, market age, spread, and you can also choose exactly which categories you want to see. Let's say you only want to see economy markets. There you go. Now you only have economy markets. If you only want Kalshi trades, there you go. You only have Kalshi trades. Then you have quick buy options. So if you see any new markets and just want to get in quickly, you can do so right here with these quick buy amounts that you can set yourself. I normally have it at $20. And then if you click onto any of these markets, you get way more detailed analytics. So here you have the charts and the history of the different candidates. You can set this by month, by hour, 5 minutes. You have the order book for both buy and sell, depending on what you want to do. You can then choose exactly how much you want to buy right here. It says your potential payout. You can also add custom take profit and stop loss. You can put limit orders. You have pro mode with trailing stop loss, with stop limit, and so many more advanced features. Now they also have a separate sports mode. So if you're a big sports bettor, you have this entire sports mode with all sorts of sport that you can bet on. You have NBA on any specific day. You have all sorts of esports, and it makes it so much easier to trade all sorts of markets more seriously than you can do on Polymarket and Kalshi themselves. If we head into the copy section, they do also have a really fast and competitive copy trading feature. So here you have all of the traders you are currently following, but you can also find traders. So they have hundreds of super profitable wallets right here. You can click onto any of them and see in detail exactly how they are performing. You have this chart, total portfolio, overall P&L, total volume, unrealized P&L, last 6 hours, 24 hours, 7 day, 30 day. You then have all of their current positions, all of the trade history for this specific wallet. If you want to follow this wallet, you can do so right here, and that will now show up under the wallets you are following. And if you do find a really good and profitable wallet, you have the option to copy all of their trades. You have fixed mode or percentage mode, where you can decide if you want to copy them for a fixed amount every single trade, or you can copy them for a percentage of whatever they are trading for. So if this guy normally trades for $500 per bet, you can copy him for 10% of that, and every time he buys something for $500, you will copy him for $50. So since I right now have $280 in my wallet, I want to allocate $150 to copying this trader. Let's say he on average trades for $500 per bet. You can then set what percentage of your allocated funds should go into each trade and percentage of each trade. You have minimum amount per market, maximum amount per market, and you also have more advanced settings where you can say minimum volume of each market, market range. And then TradeFox are also doing their own trading tournaments. For example, right now for the next 16 days, $10,000 will be split among 10 traders. And here you can also analyze the leaders in this tournament and copy their trades if you want to. And then you can obviously see your own portfolio as well. So if you are a serious prediction market trader, then I highly recommend checking out TradeFox. It is the best trading platform that I have been able to find so far that has access to both Polymarket trades as well as Kalshi trades. If you do have any questions regarding TradeFox, do let me know in the comments, or you can join my Telegram and ask me in there. And if you want to check it out for yourself, make sure to get your 25% cash back and less fees with the link down below. And if you do want me to really put TradeFox to the test, do a big trading challenge or copy trading challenge where I put $1,000, for example, to the test for a week or potentially even a month and see how much money we make or lose with using TradeFox and their copy trading feature. Do let me know down below in the comments if that is something you would like to see. And with that said, I hope you found some value in this video. Hope you have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.